Alright, so I got this one little grounding screw in it. Let's plug it in. I got the little ribbon cable plugged in, power input plugged in. Plug the power in, and you probably just get to see it spark. Yep. See it sparking? It's just not making good contact. So, let me see if I can find a relay. So I was looking through all my junk, and I found this relay. Now the original one, smaller. The original one was a 12 volt relay, 4 amps, this one 12 volt, 5 amps. So it's a little bit of heavier duty relay, which would be good because obviously this one wasn't up to the task. And I think what I will do, the width spacing is going to be about right, so I'll be able to catch these two. We've got a problem up here. These are flipped. You see on that one, closer one is on this side, further ones on that side. So probably gonna have to drill a new hole through the board. It's just one-sided right there, so we're not gonna run into a trace on the front side, so we're good there. And then we'll just have to scrape some off and solder it. So let me get that undone, and we're going to put this relay in here. While that's heating up, I figured I would test this relay. I honestly don't remember where it came from. It's possible I bought it as a replacement for this thing. I don't know. So what I've got here is a 9 volt battery. 12 volt relay, but 9 volts should do it. I'm just going to touch the battery to it. Sorry, I know I'm blocking y'all's view, but I can't. And some alligator clips. It works. All I did was I put my test leads on each side of the contacts of the relay, and then connected, just did my 9 volt battery on the coil side. Hear it clicking? So, and then I put it on the continuity tester. Alright, I think, let's see if we're hot. doing this one-handed. Alright. And this new one, yeah, I need both hands to see how I need to mount it. Alright, so here's what we got. I drilled 2 new holes, and then I just bridged over to the original solder pads. They were real close to them, so just soldered over to them. And that's in the same place that I had to unsolder that, solder it back just on a slight angle like that once I got the relay in, because it was in the way. So that's done. So we just barely cleared over on that side. So let's get it mounted back in there. We'll see if it works. Alright, so I got it plugged in now. The board's mounted, I just got 1 screw in it. And where you wanna look here? We'll look here. What do you know? Let's turn it off. Our button's working good too. Success. Alright. Turn it back off. Unplug it. And let me put it all back together. Now, if I was ordering a relay, I would find one that fit. By the way, it is unplugged now. I would find one that was the same dimensions. Since I already had that one, we made it work. Alright, so here we go. All back together. Just hooked up those speakers. Had those probably 15 years. They're actually Yamaha speakers. Probably about the same vintage of this receiver. And I bought those actually brand new. Nothing special. 3-way, 8-inch woofer. So let's turn it on. Boom. Works perfect every time. The button's working good. It's actually feels really solid. So I'm pretty happy with that. So we got just that speaker wire that's running up and over, using that as an antenna. Let's see. We got that working. I don't want to play too much. Let's see. I gotta remember how to. Okay.
You get a text message saying, hey, by the way, your favorite song's coming up. And I will do. I'm gonna genuinely. I might be in it. To make an appointment, gotta.
Here with an important announcement.
Alright, let's switch over to, I got the laptop hooked up. Alright, so here we are back again at incompetech.com. Just pick something. You know what, I need to some knobs that'll fit. Turn surround sound off. It's a really upbeat piece of music there. Just went to like the most popular ones. Monkey spinning monkeys. Alright. So anyway, it's working, and we'll get some more life out of it, and I'm going to go ahead and order me a remote for it. And I need to try to find some knobs. But I did find the remote on eBay. I think it's like $18. I think I'm going to go ahead and order that, and because the universal remote didn't have a lot of the functions. I think you could switch inputs, and you could do the volume, and that was about it. So I'm going to do that, and I'll try to find some knobs, and I think we'll be good. Anyway, thanks for watching.